Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2013 F150. Now this oil change will apply to every F150 from 2011 to 2014 with the 5.0 engine. I'm also going to be installing two devices to make oil changes a breeze and much easier on the 5.0s, and I'll show you what those are right now. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing this Valvomax quick twist oil drain. The model for my truck is the M12 to 1.75. That's the thread size. Now this is very easy to install. Obviously you just replace your drain plug with this, and I will show you how this works when we get it on the vehicle. All right, now the second item is like an elbow for your oil cap. As you know, on the F150s, especially with the 5.0s, it's kind of at an angle, so it's harder to fill up your oil. So this will allow the oil cap to be like up here and upright. So all you gotta do is put a funnel in it and it'll go right into your engine. All right, now the oil I'm gonna be using is the Mobil 1 Extended Performance High Mileage. This is for vehicles with 75,000 miles or more. Now it also says that it can protect up to 20,000 miles. I'm not gonna wait 20,000 miles to change my oil. I grew up on the whole, we change the oil every 3,000 miles. On the newer engines with the new oils and everything, I don't wait 3,000, or I don't change it before 3,000 miles. I will actually go like 5,000, 6,000 miles, but there's no way I'm gonna go 20,000 miles. All right, so the first step, you wanna make sure that your engine's warm. And the second step is you wanna make sure you loosen your oil cap, like that. You wanna leave it in so no debris or anything gets in there, but you do wanna loosen it up. It helps the flow of the oil into the drain pan. All right, so the third step is to remove your oil drain bolt. Okay, so before installing the Valvomax, you want to clean around the hole to ensure the snug fit. That was good. Now it also comes with the washer. You want to put that washer on like that. All right, now all you gotta do is tighten it down. And you just wanna make it snug. Like that. And it's tight. Now what you do is you put this cap back on. That tight, and you're good. Now, whenever you want to change the oil, just twist. Put your cap off. Put your adapter on. Like so. And as you can see, the oil is already going through. When you put this adapter on, it opens up that valve and allows the oil to drain through. All right, so when changing the filter, as you can see, it's up here, in front of the vehicle. Now it has two spouts for the oil to drain out of. It'll come out here, fall down. And the second one right there. So what I'm gonna do actually is use two oil drain pans. That worked perfect. As you guys can see, it's coming out of that other drain. And that one too. All right, so what you want to do is grab some oil and put it around the seal. This will make it a lot easier for you to remove on your next oil change. Just like that. Now typically, what I like to do is fill up the oil filter a little bit, at least a quarter or a half, but the oil filters on the truck are pretty much at an angle like that. So everything would just drain out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there dry. It should be fine, it's just gonna go a split second without oil in it. All right, so now we got to fill back the oil. I'm going to show you how to do it without that arm first. You can see it doesn't go in straight. You got to kind of angle it. Really not a big deal, but that arm is going to make it so much easier.
Yeah.
All right, here is the new arm. Let's put it in, twist, and you're good to go. It's in place. It doesn't click, but it does lock. All right, funnel back in.
Look
you can
at
see
that.
It's set straight.
Beautiful.
This is very easy. Now, the engine says it takes 7.7 quarts, so I'm gonna stop right about here. Start the engine, let it warm up. Probably just for about a minute or two. It ain't gonna take too long. And then I'm gonna measure it to see if it's right where it should be. If not, I can just add some more. You never wanna add too much because then you don't wanna have to drain any oil if you put too much in there.
True.
So much easier just to add more. Got that mark. You don't really have to let it warm up. You can actually change it, or you can actually turn it off now and check it, but I like to let it warm up a little bit.
Right.
Now you want to check for leaks. Look around the oil filter. That's all good. Very good here. Now we'll check the oil drain bolt. Look for leaks around there. And we're good.
Woo! What? Yeah, you need some brakes.
All right, now you want to check your level. So grab your dipstick, pull it out, wipe it off, put it back in. Pull it back out. It's actually right in the center.
Oh yeah. Yep, I got it. Nice.
So we're good. So don't have to add anything. That's perfect. Dipstick back in and you are done.
Bob, you're a professional.
YouTube professional. All right, now all we need to do is reset the oil life. What you're gonna do is hit setup once, hit it again, oil life reset, and you hit the reset button and hold it. And that's it. Simple. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more content from Trick Shift Garage. Thanks for watching.